Hello and welcome on the new video. Today we will again focus on geometric tolerances and look specifically at orientation tolerances. Orientation tolerance always applies to at least two considered surfaces. The nominal position of this surface is determined by the nominal dimensions from the selected base. The assessed surface can be flat, cylindrical, or other surface or line. The types of tolerances are listed in this table. Parallelism tolerance is the largest permissible deviation of parallelism, which is determined by the distance between two parallel planes, two parallel lines, and the space enclosed by a cylinder or rectangular parallel piped, as you can see in these pictures. Perpendicularity tolerance is the largest permissible deviation of perpendicularity, which is determined by the distance between two parallel planes and the space enclosed by the cylinder, as you can see in these figures. Slope tolerance is the largest permissible slope deviation, which is given by the distance between two planes, two parallel lines, and the space enclosed by a cylinder inclined at a prescribed ideal angle with respect to one base or to a set of bases, as you can see in these figures. So much today for geometric tolerances of orientation. In the next video we will look at positional tolerances. I wish you a nice day and see you in next video. Bye.